Welcome back to J Lux Kitchen, y'all. It is my man's birthday, okay? So I went ahead and made him a little basket. We wanted to do something really simple this year because we have a lot going on. So I went ahead and ran to Target and I love Target, y'all. I cannot stay out of there. I had to go ahead and grab me some Starbucks, and I just got a few things from there, like his favorite snacks that I didn't get. When I went to Five and Below, this man loved Dr. Pepper. I hate him drinking soda, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and buy this man this soda because it's his birthday. And guess what? We bought it on a budget, baby. So wherever I could find a discount to make this basket for him, I sure did. I got the confetti and the wrapping paper from Amazon. And I also, this box is the Amazon box his stuff came in. I just went ahead and wrapped it with happy birthday paper. And my man loves anime, y'all. He is a Pokemon and Naruto head. This man loves this stuff. So I just went ahead and bought him a little package, some cute stuff for his desk at work. He is a travel and school basketball coach. So, when he's at the office or whatever, I just wanted to make sure he had some cute stuff for his desk. And yeah, that's all his stuff I got for Naruto. Now, if you know, this man loves oxtail. So I ran out of brownie, so I went ahead and went on YouTube. And I found me some brownie I made brownie from scratch. It was my first time, but it came out so well. I'm showing you all the seasonings that I use for my oxtail. And let me tell you, I'm not trying to brag, but I make the best Jamaican oxtail. And let me tell you what is missing in the seasoning. Here is ketchup. You do not add ketchup almost to the very end. After I let my browning cool, I'm adding it on. And you're going to see that I am just mixing this in. Of course, I am a not black, but also black and Caribbean. So I'm African American and Caribbean. And we clean our meat, baby. Vinegar, salt, hot water, lemon. And when I tell you I cleaned these 3 times, y'all, these oxtails were $70 cut fresh from Sedano's. Definitely worth the price. And I'm just getting all that flavoring in there, y'all. I seasoned these on Sunday. I put them in I seasoned and cleaned them on Sunday, and I put them in my freezer for 2 days, and then I made them on his actual birthday. Do y'all see all the seasoning after I defrosted it? Y'all, these came out so good, and they were so big and had so much meat. I was not playing, baby. My man said he wanted oxtails. I said, say less, boo. I got you. Now, the key thing to oxtails is you have to braise them, meaning that I seared them so they can be brown. And the first thing you want to do is add hot water. Now, this is my oxtail after the fact. Do you see that bone falling off the bone, baby? Let me get in here for y'all. Let me get you a slow-mo of these oxtails. Y'all, these oxtails are so good. I ate them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Baby, the back has been spread. The back has spread wide for these oxtails. Now, mind y'all, I made these oxtails in January. It is February. It took me so long to make this video. Life has been lifing, but if y'all want me to make an oxtail video so I can show y'all how I make these delicious Jamaican oxtails from scratch, please put on your notifications and subscribe to my channel so I can show y'all how to make these oxtails. These are those my man go act right oxtails. These are marry me oxtails. I'm saying, do you see the bone, baby? And I made this on the stove. It wasn't a pressure cooker, at least a pressure cooker that I had that was big enough for these big ass oxtails. It was a lot of oxtails. And now, y'all, I just went ahead and plated everything. I have my coconut rice and peas. If y'all want that recipe, please let me know, because not for nothing, I know I've been saying this a lot, but I make the best coconut rice and coconut peas. It's to the point where all I make is coconut rice. I can't have a meal without it. I just made some cabbage because what is oxtails and rice and peas without cabbage, baby? I don't know what it is. It is an delicacy, baby. We got to have the cabbage with the oxtails and the rice and peas. So yes, y'all see them good ass oxtails. Please, again, let me know if y'all want this recipe. And also, I didn't make regular macaroni and cheese. I made macaroni pie just to keep the thing going. I am Grenadian and St. Lucian, so you know, just the Caribbean part of me just had to include that. So yeah, so I made my man's favorite meal. And I also made my box of all his favorite items for his birthday. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and watch me sing my baby happy birthday. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eddie. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, bro.